Hello everyone, welcome back to Forex Trading with Si. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. Just been taking a little break from YouTube. Just taking the time out and just focusing on my trading. But yeah, I'm back now. I'm gonna be uploading regularly, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a lot of technical analysis on all these Forex pairs you see on Forex currency pairs on the right I have right here. So I'm just going to be doing this monthly's breakdown, and we're looking out for key areas, price levels in the market that I think where we will see price react around. So hope you enjoy, and let's start off with AUDCAD. So looking at AUDCAD on a daily time frame, we can see this market is in a bearish trend. So with AUDCAD, I'm only going to be looking to take some sales. So I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame. What I'm hoping for with CAD now is for price to come back and react around this level right here. So this is a nice resistant level, I think, for AUDCAD. We should highlight and look out for. Price might not even come back up to this level right here, but it's a price level that I would like to look out for. And also, if we're going to have a pullback on AUDCAD, and also expect price pullback around to this previous support level, which now has been broken, which will be our new resistant level. We will see if this will hold as our new resistant level. So with AUDCAD, yeah, I'm only looking for short sales. So I wouldn't be, you can probably get in a buy right here and ride the pullback and see if it breaks this resistant level right here. If it does break it, then I'll probably say this trend is looking to change around. But for the moment right now, we're just in a downtrend, and yeah, only gonna be looking out for to play sell trades. So I'm just gonna put a Fibonacci on this as well to see where this price might pull back to. You know what? This could be a good trade. This could be a good trade, short sell trade to take if we get price to pull back around this level right here. As you can see, it's lining up with the green Fibonacci as well, this resistant level as well. So that's my setup on AUDCAD for what I'm looking out for this month. Let me highlight some key levels to look out for as well, if I can find any. Right, if we're gonna have any key levels on AUDCAD, I'll probably mark that as a key level. And this area right here. So as you can see, this area right here, the market was in this range for quite back in May for quite a few weeks. And as you can see, we've had the break towards the downside. So I'm expecting this trend to continue. Like I said, we're in a bearish trend with AUDCAD. So let me move on to USDJPY. With AUDJPY, we're in a downtrend as well. So with AUDJPY, I'm similar to AUDCAD. We're going to be looking for price to pull back around to this level right here, this resistant level right here. So once price pulls back to this level right here, I'll be looking out for I'll be looking to take some short trades, but also look out for these two level points, price levels right here. Also keep your eye on those two price levels right there as well. We can get the market reacting around those 2 points price levels as well. So with AUDCAD, I'm not really gonna force any key levels on this right now at the moment. Actually, sorry, I can see a key level happen right here. So that's this monthly's key levels for AUDJPY. Let's go into AUDUSD. All the Aussie pairs, they're gonna look, the setups are all gonna look pretty much similar. So let's go into the daily time frame. What can I see? So right, on the daily time frame, I'm gonna highlight some key levels to look out for. Yeah, that sits very perfectly. And this level right here. So yet again, with AUD USD, what I'm looking for is price to push up to this price level right here. So with AUD USD, I'm going to wait for price to retrace back up to this resistant level right here. And then I'm going to be looking at to take some short trades. Looking for any kind of candlestick reversal patterns happening around this price level right here. So let's move on to Euro AUD. This is just in a bullish trend, and for right now, I feel like I've missed the move on Euro AUD. So what I'll be looking for will be price to have a pullback. At the moment, this is just swinging. You can see it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So I probably will wait for it to make a new higher low. So that's Euro AUD, not really much. I'm not going to force any technical analysis on this. As you can see, it's pretty much simple. It's just in a nice uptrend. And you just got to try getting from one of the higher lows and just follow the trend on Euro AUD. Let's move on to EURUSD. Yeah, again, I'm looking to get in a short position on EURUSD. I was in a short last week in this pair, but fortunately I closed just before Friday, before the market closed on Friday, losing around 20 pips or so. But yeah, I don't feel like this is ready to move to the downside just yet. So with EURUSD, I'm waiting for price to break around this level. Once it breaks below this level here, if I get a nice close below this level, then I'm going to be looking to take a short trade. Unless if it comes back up to this level right here, as it looks like it's doing, if I see any candlestick reversal pattern around this level, where these wicks are, if price comes up to this price level right here and start seeing a candlestick reversal pattern, probably on the lower time frame, on the hour or the 15 minutes, similar to something, any of these candlestick reversal patterns right here, then I will look to take the short trade. So that's EURUSD. Let's move on to EURUSD. Looking for a sell on EURUSD as well. Trying to see if I can highlight any price levels, any key level price levels we should look out for. Probably these ones here, this price level here, and I will say this price level right here. So that's that's EURUSD. Those are some of the key levels that I will say keep an eye on and look out for. If price reacts around these levels this month, then keep our eyes on it and look to take the trade. And what else for EURUSD? At the moment, I can't see anything that I will look to get into on EURUSD. for a short trade. Like I said, I'm quite bearish. My opinion on this is it's in a downtrend, so we're in a bearish trend with Euro USD. I think this week I'm probably going to stay away from it. Let's look at GPAUD. Like, similar to Euro AUD, this move has literally happened to the upside and it's just shooting up. So GPAUD, I probably will be leaving alone. Won't be looking to get in any trade this week. But if I do look to trade GPAUD, I'll be taking long positions only. As you can see, we're in a strong bullish trend. Unless if price pull back around to this level right here. As you can see, I previously waited for price to come back down to this level here, which it didn't touch, and it just continued to the upside. So with GPAUD, I'm going to be doing this, looking at the same similar thing. I would like price to come back down to this level right here. I'm going to wait to see if we get any candlestick reversal patterns at this price level here, then take a long trade. That's with GPAUD. Let's look at GPUSD. I'm in, at the moment, I'm looking at this as a down, as a bearish trend. So I'm just going to put a trend line on it. So that's my trend line on GPUSD. I'm going to see how it reacts around with this trend line. Yeah, so I'm just going to see how it reacts around this trend line. That's pretty much it for GBPUSD. Any major key levels I will highlight? Probably just this level right here. I will look out for that level right here. And this resistant level right here. So there's a major resistant level, support level right here on GBPUSD, NZDCAD, as you can see, that support level is pretty much easy to highlight. And this resistant level, as you can see, look, try to push through, fail to break or even close above it on the daily time frame. And that shows this resistant level right is very, very strong. And from then you see the market shot down, started to shoot down from that price level right there. So with NZDCAD, I'm only looking out for buyers. At the moment, I'm going to be looking to see if we can. I was in this trade last week actually, pushed up, got in it. I got taken out. I broke even on it. As you know, when my trade goes into 20 pips profit, I always move my stop loss to break even. And unfortunately, it came back down and took me out. So with NZDCAD, I'm going to be looking to get in for a buy. Looking for a buy trade this week, a buy position for NZDCAD this week. So this trade looks pretty much good to take. Not right now. Go wait for this candlestick, 4-hour candlestick close. Candlestick to close. And we'll take it from there. But as you can see, look, this nice temporary support level happening on NZDCAD. So yeah, I'm going to be looking to take a buy position on NZDCAD. Probably later on, as soon as this 4-hour candlestick closes. If it closes like this, then I'm gonna take a buy trade on NZDCAD. A nice candlestick reversal pattern right there on this temporary support level. So yeah, that's a setup there for NZDCAD. Let's move on to NZDUSD. Pretty much all highlighted for you. This level right here, I'll probably have it as a major resistant level. See where these wicks are? I'll place it on that wick right there, and just on the body for this support level right here. So that's our major. That's our major resistance and support level on NZDUSD. As I'm only looking for short trades to take on NZUSD, so I won't be looking to get any short trade right now, as the New Zealand dollar is looking like it's gaining strength this morning, Monday morning. So I'm gonna wait for price to push up around to this level right here and see if we can get any reversal patterns happening. Remember people, I like to trade using a little candlestick reversal pattern. A lot of my strategy is based on candlestick reversal patterns. I look for support levels and see where if the market reacts with it, and if it has a reversal, then I get in. I also like to follow the trend. Part of my strategy where I've been getting consistent wins with trading is just literally trying to follow the trend, not going against it. Remember, the trend is your friend. So that's NZDUSD. Not really much happening on NZDUSD. USDCAD. Oh my gosh, this pair. Been waiting for it to push up and it hasn't really. Like, I've missed this move here, and from then I thought we would have a nice pullback here and get another big move. So with USDCAD, I'm waiting for another big push to the upside to happen again. So looking at it, how it is on the daily time frame, not seeing any much major resistance and support level to put on this. Look on a weekly time frame. I believe this is turning towards the upside to start uptrend. So I'm looking at it on a 4-hour time frame. It's look like it's not breaking my 200 EMA. So at the moment with USDCAD, I am looking at the potential buys, but at the moment there's no setup I see happening. Let's move on to USDJPY. Let's clear this old chart marker. USDJPY. Have this look like a nice major support level happening right there, and that would be my resistance level. So with USDJPY, I'm just gonna look out for the buy. I do believe in this week we should see a nice reversal pattern happen for the buy. If I'm gonna buy USDJPY, I would like price to break above this level right here. If price breaks above this level right here, then I'm gonna go for the buy. Move my stop loss just underneath it. Yet again, if you got in on this candlestick right here, that's a good time. That was a good trade to take. Good, as you see, nice reversal, candlestick reversal pattern happened. Yeah, so with USDJPY, I'm just gonna wait for price to break above this level right here. If I get price breaks beyond this price level right here, then I'm gonna look to buy. So that brings it to an end to this month technical analysis. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm gonna be doing a lot of weekly watch list videos. I'm gonna start popping up where I show you. Where I give you an insight of what trades I'm looking to take, what currency pairs I got my eyes on. And yeah, it just gives you an in-depth of how I like to trade and what I see in the market. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. And I'll see you next time, people.